Welcome back, mamas. This is the Gin Top tutorial. Grab your free pattern at bmpatterns.com. For this swimsuit, you'll need the Gin Top pattern pieces. You'll need main fabric, lining fabric, your cutting tools, rotary cutter or scissors, and a 1/4 inch elastic. To begin, you'll place the front and the back of the main fabric right sides together and sew along the edges using a serger or a zigzag stitch on a regular sewing machine. And you'll do the same for the lining pieces. Now you'll flip the main fabric to the right side and insert the lining piece inside so the wrong sides are facing. Match up the seams and pin around the top and the bottom area. Before applying the elastic, baste or serge around the top and bottom areas. We're attaching the elastic to the same areas that you just sewed. Pull the elastic about 10% to avoid waviness when we finish the edges. Turn the top to the right side and fold the elastic over in the direction of the lining fabric and use a zigzag stitch to finish. I find a stitch length of 3 works best for me. Don't stretch the fabric here, just tug slightly to ensure that the fabric is lying flat while it's running under the sewing machine. You can stop here and wear the top just like this, or you can jazz it up a bit with a scrunch in the middle to create a sweetheart neckline. Find the center front by matching up the side seams and pin where the front makes a crease. We'll attach elastic in a straight line down the front center using a zigzag stitch. I like to pull the elastic tightly to get a nice scrunch. So here's the finished gin top. Don't forget to grab the free pattern at bmpatterns.com and tag us on Instagram at bmpatterns showing off your gin top. See you in the next video.